and most wonderful places in Sweden. 1. Gamla Stan, Stockholm. Cobblestone streets, candy-colored facades, and the royal palace right there. It's like stepping into a storybook. Cafes, alleyways, and history on every corner. I wander, I snack, I get lost on purpose. 1. Djurgården Island, Stockholm. This is museum heaven. Vasa Museum's 17th century warship steals the show, ABBA. The museum turns into a sing-along, and Skansen brings old Sweden to life with farmsteads and Nordic animals. One island, full day. 1. Drottningholm Palace. Sweden's Versailles, UNESCO-listed, mirror-calm lake, perfect gardens, and a still-working 18th century theater. I time it for golden hour, and it looks unreal from the water. Royal vibes without the red carpet. 1. Stockholm Archipelago. Thousands of islands, ferries like buses. I hop from city buzz to pine forests and red boathouses in under an hour. Grinda for swims, Vaxholm for charm, Sandholm for sunsets. Easy, unforgettable. 1. Gothenburg and Liseberg. Laid-back port city, seafood stalls, and a theme park that absolutely sends it. Liseberg is thrills, plus twinkly lights at night. Then I reset with cinnamon buns on Haga's cozy streets. 1. Bohuslän coast. Smooth granite, turquoise coves, and little towns like Smogen, Marstrand. I grab a shrimp sandwich, walk the wooden piers, and watch the whole coast glow pink at sunset. Simple and perfect. 1. Malmö and the Öresund Bridge. Futuristic meets friendly. I bike past turning torso, picnic in parks, then stare at that endless bridge to Denmark. One train ride and you're in another country. Wild. 1. Visby, Gotland. Medieval walls, rose-covered lanes, and Baltic Sea breezes. In summer, it's sun and festivals. In off-season, it's quiet magic. I climb the ramparts and time travel without the jet lag. 1. Abisko National Park. When the skies are clear, they're crystal. I ride up to the Aurora Sky Station, and when the northern lights start dancing, I just shut up and watch. Midnight sun in summer, stars forever in winter. 1. Icehotel, Jukkasjärvi. Every room carved fresh from river ice, lit like a dream. I sleep in a thermal cocoon at 5 degrees, wake up to hot lingonberry juice, and feel like I beat winter at its own game. Bonus pro tip. Sweden is built for easy travel, reliable trains, ferries that double as sightseeing, and fika breaks that turn into memories. So, drop a pin, pick a season, northern lights, island swims, palace gardens, and I'll see you on the next stop. Goodbye.